Hi students, welcome to SPR Edutech. Today we're going to see about a topic called a Pineapple Express. Recently in California, there is a severe rainfall and more flooding. So what is the reason behind that? It is a Pineapple Express behind that. What an express is a reason for the flooding over the California. How could it be the right thing? So let us understand. And also here you're going to learn about one more topic named as atmospheric river. So two topics, what is a Pineapple Express and also what is atmospheric river. I had heard about a river, but what actually this atmospheric river, you will learn through this class. So kindly guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel because your support means a lot to work on this channel and also help a maximum students as possible for your UPSC and IAS preparation. So here, as California has experienced, so let us understand why it is in the news and every pin detail about the content we shall know in a detail. So here California has experienced a flooding due to severe rainfall for the past 2 weeks, which means more than the extra. So here forecasters said that it is a result of a phenomena. That phenomena is called as the Pineapple Express. So Pineapple Express, which means it gives pineapple. No, actually see here, Pineapple Express means a strong atmospheric river. So here, which is capable of bringing more moisture from the tropics of near Hawaii over the US west coast. Nothing guys, you need to understand. So here, this is USA. So here in the Pacific Ocean you have so-called Hawaiian region. So from here there will be a wind flowing to this region, but the wind will carry a maximum amount of moisture similar to the so-called river. So that is what called as the atmospheric river, which means so normally atmospheric air or atmosphere holds certain amount of moisture, so it will be more than that, beyond the limit. A maximum amount of moisture will be brought, and also the western coast of the continent and also the western coast of USA will be given maximum and severe amount of rainfall. That is what called as the atmospheric express. So here first of all let us know about the atmospheric rivers in the news and geography, what actually it means and see. So here atmospheric rivers means it's a long and narrow and shallow horizontal water vapor transport. So here water vapor will be evaporated in this form to the greater height, but this is carried forward horizontally through the atmosphere. So here the river in the sky, we called it as the river in the sky. This will be transporting the water vapor outside the tropics. We know that close to equator, the tropics, the moisture, the heat will be high, the water vapor will be high, so the moisture rises to the greater height, but this moisture is being taken away through the so-called our rivers in the sky. That is what our atmospheric river. So let us have a characteristics of this atmospheric river in a clear format. So atmospheric river is greater than 200 kilometers long and less than 1000 kilometers in width, and also the depth will be 3 kilometers, where a narrow passage of maximum moisture will be transported from one part to the other part. So here it will be associated with the low level jet stream. So here jet streams means you need to remember one thing, the speedy movement of the wind and also circumference of the earth, it keeps on rotating, like particularly the polar jet streams and also our subtropical jet streams. So apart from that, the polar jet stream and subtropical jet stream will be flowing at a greater height, but this jet streams what we see is a low level jet streams, and also here it will be formed ahead of the cold front of the extratropical cyclone. So here along the cold front it will be more visible, and also it carries a huge amount of water vapor, roughly around 7.5 to 15 times and the average flow of water at the mouth of the Mississippi River, which means it will be having a more moisture than the Mississippi River, which is a one thing that makes it as the sky in the river. So here the transported moisture from the tropics to the mid and high latitudes, as it will be providing a maximum moisture, it will be released in the form of rain and snow. So here you can see this one is called as a so-called your Pineapple Express. So what is the significance of it? What is so important of it? Let us know it in detail. On any given day, atmospheric rivers will be giving a 90% of the global meridional or water transport. So here more than 90% of the global water transport will be happening over that, and also only the 10% of the earth's circumference it will be covering. And also they had contributed about the 22% of the global runoff. So here when you are comparing to the global runoff, 22% is been present in your so-called atmospheric rivers. How do they form actually? So atmospheric rivers usually begin over the tropical regions where the temperature is warmer. So here the ocean water will be evaporating higher. So the rising air mass, water vapor in the atmosphere is being pushed away with the strong winds, and it will be helping the water vapor to carry forward to the so-called extratropical zone. Where do they commonly occur? Most commonly you can find it along the Pacific and so North Pacific and also the Atlantic zone, which means atmospheric rivers are typically occurring in the so-called our Pacific Oceans commonly, and also North and Southern Pacific Ocean, and also Southern Atlantic Ocean often, and also they make a landfall on the western coast of North and South America. So what can be the effect of it? So atmospheric rivers will be less common, but here because of our climate change it has been impacting at a greater level. So here due to global warming there was an increasing trend in atmospheric river activities, and also here mid 20th century there is a more number of atmospheric rivers and its incidences. So here atmospheric rivers are experienced a pole shift, so which means slowly because of climate change they are little bit moving toward the polar wise, and also giving a more amount of rainfall and floods around the different regions of the places where they flow. This is all about your Pineapple Express, which is recently in the news. For more content, kindly like, share, and subscribe. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day. Bye bye.